Cold and dangerous winds, big rigs topple on the 15 freeway, causing some big problems for drivers. Well, strong winds caused some major damage in neighborhoods as well, uprooting trees.
The cold and gusty day set the stage for an even colder night. KCAL 9 Inland Empire reporter Nicole Comstock is braving the cold for us live in Fontana. Nicole?
That's right, you guys. It's about 40 degrees right now in Fontana, but it feels a lot more like 32 because of those winds out here. And you guys are absolutely right. The wind did create some problems out on the 15 freeway today when it toppled over two big rigs, one of which is still on the freeway behind us tonight. New Year, same gusty wind blowing box trucks over in the Inland Empire.
It's like, when is it not windy in Fontana? That's the news story.
On the first day of 2019, strong winds below the Cajon Pass turned not one, but two big rigs over on their sides. They remained on the 15 freeway in Fontana throughout the night because it was still too windy to safely tow them away.
Everything blows around, trash cans down the street.
The wind made a mess in neighborhoods too. In Redlands, it uprooted trees like this massive one that came crashing down in Sylvan Park, causing a road closure. And these gusty winds are also making it feel a lot colder than it actually is.
But I feel like it's 30 degrees, the wind chill might be like 20 degrees.
And Preston Norman isn't the only one shivering at the pump.
And now when you add the cold too, oh Lord have mercy, it is freezing.
Overnight, widespread frost and freezing temperatures are expected in western Riverside and southwestern San Bernardino counties. And Alex Sowers has a plan for that.
Oh, I'm going inside. I'm going to do the smart thing. I'm going inside and stay inside. Because, I could have sworn I seen a snowman walking across the street right down there.
You might actually think there's a snowman out here because of how cold it feels. If you're planning on being outside later this evening or early tomorrow morning, you definitely want to layer up. And if you have any pets that are typically outside overnight, you certainly need to bring them in. Reporting live in Fontana, Nicole Comstock, KCAL 9 News.